To my YouTube channel, my home my study. Today I will give the answer of chapter number 1 from 6th standard history, the Indian subcontinent and history. Students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and share with your friends. First one, answer the following in one sentence. First one, what is history? So the answer is given on page number 1. See, history is a coherent account of significant past event in the progress of human culture. So this answer will come in the first question. Next, where do human settlement flourish? So the answer will come like this. The human settlement flourished at those places where the means available in abundances. Next question. What do the people in the hilly region depends on their foods? The people in the hilly region depends on hunting and collecting food items in forest to meet their food requirements. Next, which is the earliest civilization in the India? Harappan civilization is the earliest civilization in India. Next question, answer the following question in short. What does human life depends on? Human life to a large extent depends on the geographical characteristics of the region in which they live. The diet, housing, occupation and the whole life depends on geography of the region. Next question. What features of our surroundings from the means of our livelihood? The agricultural produce, climate, rainfall, flora and fauna of the region wherein we live forms the means of our livelihood. Next, which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? South Asia is described as the Indian subcontinent. It consists of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh. Next, give reason. There is a close relation between history and geography. There is a close relationship between history and geography because place is related to geographical conditions which influences the food habit, dressing, housing and economic activities of human being in the given area. Place is one and basis of writing history. Next question. Peoples are forced to leave their settlements. Answer. Damage caused to the environment, famines and invasion of the foreigners make living of people difficult. As a result, people are forced to leave their settlements and migrate to other places in search of livelihood. See the next question 4. Explain the difference in the human life in the hilly region and that on the plains. So hilly region, the life of the people is more difficult. Plains, the life of the people is comparatively easier. The availability of food, grains, vegetable is less. The food, grains and vegetables are available in plenty. They undertake hunting of the animals and collect fruits and berries from the forest for consumption. They consume food, grains and vegetables in large quantity. The availability of fertile land for cultivation is less. The availability of fertile land for cultivation. Observe the physical map of India and answer the question based on it. First one, which mountain ranges lie in the north of India? Answer. Hindu Kush and Himalaya mountain ranges lie in the north of India. Next question. Which are the routes to India from the northeast? Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass are the routes of India from northeast. Next, where do the Ganga and Brahmaputra meets? The river Ganga and Brahmaputra meets in Bangladesh. Next question. Name the island to the east of the Indian peninsula. Next. Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island are the east of the Indian peninsula. In which part of India do we see the Thar desert? We see the Thar desert in Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. With this, we have finished our chapter. If you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel and share with the friends and those who need it. Thanks for watching.